Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to unbox the OPPO Reno 12 Pro OPPO AI. Yeah, that's a big thing for the OPPO Reno 12 Pro. What the AI about? What it can do? I'll show you a little bit later. Now let's just unbox. That is the phone. Whoa, my goodness, this is like so lightweight. I haven't seen a phone this light for a really long time. For sure, we'll take a close look later. Ooh, this transparent case with this cool pattern. I like it. Type-C cable, a pin here, 8 watts supercharger. And now let's get back to the design of the Reno 12 Pro. Ooh. To be honest, the first time I saw this design, I immediately fall in love with it. Just check out. Okay, so it has like two finishes on the back, like upper part is like this kind of matte finish, feels like, ooh, I like that. And the lower part is like this smooth with this OPPO logo right here. When I switch to different angles, as you can see, like numerous like stars shining there. And check out this camera decal. We have 2 rounds of dots that secure around the camera module. It feels really smooth. So overall, from the back, it looks like a luxury instead of a phone, you know? Ooh, isn't it cool? The champagne gold. Now let's check out other designs. So on the top, we have the infrared blaster, the noise mic, move to the right side. We have the power key, the volume rocker. The bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C, and SIM card tray. Move to this side, nothing. The middle frame, I guess it would be the plastic, but feels really like a metal finish. And as you can see, it is easy to like got the fingerprints and smudges. I have already, got some here, but you probably will wear the phone case, so it would be alright. And you see the screen is like not like curved so much. I heard you guys just hate curved screens right now. Right now it's like slightly curved and feels alright. Now let's just turn on. Alright, that's the unboxing and first look of the Reno 12 Pro. Let's get direct to what's new about this phone. First, it's about its shareable live photos. The Reno 12 series is the first Android phone that can post live photos to social apps. However, from my tests, it seems this feature can only be used with Xiaohongshu or Red, a popular Chinese social app full of people bragging about themselves and asking others to buy stuff. To be honest, I don't care that much because I only have several subscribers there and they're my neighbors. I only care about the subscribers on YouTube like you. Yeah, definitely subscribe if you haven't. Jokes aside, and the live photos is the pros beauty and field effects, meaning each frame can be edited. You can also choose a frame to be the thumbnail, save it as a new copy, or replace the previous one. What's more, you can save it as a short video. I found live photos to be really useful because many years later, when I check out these old photos, I can still hear a short moment of the recorded sound and see people moving around. I can feel the vibrant energy of that moment. It's all dynamic instead of still photo. The second feature is the AI illumination. This isn't something new we've seen on OPPO Find X7 series phones. It allows you to remove unwanted objects from a photo. The most fun feature is the AI best face. The English name might be a little bit confusing, but in Chinese, this feature is called fixing closed eyes. And it does just that. To use it, you have to turn off the live photo feature. The best scenario is for 3 to 5 people, but I've tested it with around 20 people and still works well. The principle behind this feature is that it doesn't generate random or fake eyes to replace closed eyes. Instead, it goes through a bunch of photos you've just taken and replaces the closed eyes with open ones from previous shots. This means if you close your eyes all the time during the photo session, it won't be able to fix them because there are no open eyes to use. That's what fixed eye pictures look so natural. Thumbs up for that! Another AI feature that's good for taking notes is in meeting or class recordings. With AI, we transcribe all the audio to text and even summarize the whole thing so you won't miss anything important. Since the one I'm testing is a Chinese version, it automatically translates that to Chinese. How sweet! As for the other specs, the Reno 12 Pro is equipped with the Dimensity 9200 Plus. Here the Antutu benchmark with 1.5 million scores. Definitely a powerful mid to high-level flagship chipset. It supports 80-watt Super Vogue charging, allowing you to charge 55% in just 20 minutes. It also has IP65 certification for dust and water resistance, enabling accurate touch control even when the screen is wet. Overall, from this of a hands-on experience with the Reno 12 Pro, this is definitely a lightweight, beautiful design phone that's perfect for young, fashionable people. It's vibrant, packed with fun AI features, and powered by an advanced chipset that stands out in this oversaturated phone market. And the price is extremely attractive. I'm not sure when it will go global, but it's definitely worth trying if you're interested. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.